nasty stealing from our neighbors. So we came here in the rocks because it's fun. You can jump from the rocks in the sea and it's amazing. So we are in front of the tomb of Marathon. It's dangerous. I was waiting for this coffee.
Best thing of the day. Say hello. Not too fast!
Smile! We are in an ancient temple of the Egyptian gods. Egypt gods are like my second favorite after Greek gods. I love the Greek mythology because it's a lot of... oh, fuck! What the fuck was that? When we came inside, I didn't have a t-shirt, and the guard told me you can't get inside. We have regulations that you have to be dressed. So I told him, okay, that's all I have, and he let me in dressed like an ancient Greek. Don't!
You are ready? Wait! Wait! Fucking wait! We are doing the ultimate act of vandalism in Meteor. We're gonna show you the ultimate act of vandalism.
It's upside down?
Something went wrong.
Baby!
We had a really great time and a lot of fun, so if you like this video and you wanna see more of our adventures, press the like button and the subscribe button. Bye! Smajsito, smajsito.
Tak.